Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
Today we fix it. We put our company BGC here. An our spend query was hip. Asset name some chips. Asset description laptop. Asset identifier. Some chips. Something like this. Serial number, some random number here. Manufacturer, let's say Dell. It won't class life office property acquisition method. It's like we purchased it. Question date is this. View number, something like this. Or date, receipt number, if you have received. It would not pick up the purchase order automatically if you have created one. No, if you create from the purchase order, yes, it will. It will have a peer number. I'll show you that also. Cost. Only one quantity we have. Supply numbers, let's leave it for now. Cost center, link it. The region is India. We got our assets here. Now to assign the accounting information to this. If you see the life cycle, it's in progress. Then we have to go to this. There is a Sereno, where she has to assign the accounting information. If you see this column here, let's say start Foxen. Let's come down. Convention is current period. From current period to start. Deposition provides 12 straight line method. Accountant to administer official capital asset here. Cost center is this business use will be 100%. Now let it submit. The process completed. Look at the business asset if you see place in service. You see yes. It's done. Let me go back to the asset again. Now see these two tabs have appeared here. Deposition summary and deposition detail. If you see deposition summary, it will tell you how much deposition would happen every month here, starting January. First, let's say 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, accumulate deposition 2,000, 3,000 and the cost will decrease of the asset. And deposition detail also will show you those details. Like what is the work tag here? Period depreciation. The depreciation for this one would be London, thousands and thousands. If you look at the accounting here, it will show you all the details like it was Melanie or when issued. We did not put, but we can put it here while receiving asset. All these details comes from the business only. We don't need to put it from our end. It's just like we need to know what are the fees And then they ask us, we just put them in. Custodian. Now it's not issued to anyone. If you want to issue this, let's say, let's transfer this asset to a different company. We can transfer it also. Let's say, transfer to worker. We'll say Logan McNamee tells us hello and Logan McNamee. Let's call it Logan McNamee. Transfer to location. Let's put some other location. Now if I submit, what is that? Why the task is not coming here? It is a Serena, how strange. We'll copy this asset. We'll go to this asset. Being implemented, he is getting the access. Issue to worker. Let's issue this to Logan McNamee. And then we need to take out this location from here. We'll see the custodian details here. We can see this was issued to Logan McNamee here. These are the general details of this asset. Total quantities, asset identifier, and all those things. Now we'll see a purchase order part. Like, if we create a purchase order for this company, and if you want to create an asset, what happens? Does it capture all the PO details and all those documents? Let's go to create purchase order. Supplier Folks Industries. The type is fine. Create a blank purchase order. I'll say anything here, anything here. We'll go to the stack score and go. Spending a day. That would be your chips. We'll see one here. This one is in task. Blaze they out. Here, as you know, we have a lot of issues. You cannot go ahead without the print layout. Yes, because to print it needs a template, kind of thing like video template. That's what. That's easy. That's like integration people work, not us. Generally, it's designed by the integration people. Oh, did I lose the PN this time? That's time. Let me just hit it. This one. Successfully completed. If you look at this PO now, this is printed now. From this we'll get a receipt and supply was also. The noise create. Also. And then what else is pending? Basically, you have to prepare the supply invoices. We get it from the supplier. We are entering the books. We just entered the data lines. Whatever is mentioned in their PDF, we just enter the same. We are trying to do that now. That's people get confused like why they are doing it. We are not doing it. We have received the PDF and we are entering the data in the system. It's a trackable. As you can see when it went to this person, they can see it's trackable. The official capital asset is the treatment. And all the details are approved now. This would have generated one asset ID for us for sure. This is purchase order. If you see the asset here, this asset ID is this. Remember, we have to sign accounting information. Registration is also pending here. We have to log in as Tensor Serrano, which we are in now. Let's see here. Serial number again. We can get some information here. Asset identifier. Something looks good, United Summit. What is missing? It has got information now. It's it would be toes on it. It is a little funny. Let's see not. See, this already has the details now. This is the invoice number which is stacked to this invoice. This asset here. It's restored but not issued. We do that. A place in service, and then, after that, the position will start. It's done. You can see the PO number is tagged here already. The invoice is also tagged here. Clear on this? Perfect. Now we'll start with the general chapter here. What chapter? General. Accounting journals. Oh, that is important for me. Let's see. Create journals. Let's see what ledger she has access to. We are in her system. But we can select any company. That's fine. We just need to see how the things work. Referral donations. Let's take this one. Action. Companies. Raffle donations. Accounting date. Let's pick today's date. I hope everything is fine with this company. General source. Let's say asset disposal. BMI general type anything. Let's create a simple one first. What happened? Should be fine now. Once you do that, you come to this screen where we have to select one line for debit, one for credit. First of all, we'll say let's select anyone. A couple of subscriptions. And to balance it out, we'll say 1500 here. Here. Let's see. Some pool has mandated a value here for customer. Why people do this? Customer location cost central bank account. I'll get rid of all of them. Except cost central. Nothing should be there. This is the governmentary session. Standard. It's Now I'll go back to our tab here. It cancel here and we do it again. We return. We It's Center is not mandatory anymore. We'll just hit submit here. It's done. The general has been approved and submitted also. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.